So these are the core principles of sustainability development concept. So at the moment, I divided the sustainability development core principles into integrational quality, polluter pays, precautionary principles, common but differentiated responsibilities. So what does it mean when we say intergenerational equity? It indicates that we need to consider the needs of the future generation. So that is when we are actually providing more emphasis in the generational aspects or needs for the future. So at that core principle is what is the main motto or driving force behind sustainable development concept. Then the principle of polluter pays, it goes back to the simple concept that those who are responsible for pollution should bear the associated cost. And this is a core principle of any sustainability development strategies. Precautionary principle indicates that the actions with potential harm should be avoided. That means if you know that your activity might cause certain harm to a specific type, either human or natural capital, you should try to avoid this. However, if you can prove that there are some alternative measures or there are some additional precaution that you can take to ensure those harmful events are not going to take place, or there are additional safety measures to avoid or protect people who might be harmed through those activities, then you should adopt those practices in your, or you should include those steps in your decision making process. So that is how you apply the precautionary principle. Common but differentiative responsibilities, it includes that while all nations share responsibility for sustainability, different geography and economies might be in better position to apply or to promote sustainable development goals a bit better than other. I'm talking about those who are advanced economies might be able to play a bigger role based on their position in the geography, at the same time economic power that they have. So that's why the responsibilities of sustainable development goals might be differentiated. However, the common goal is to protect the environment and bring down the global temperature below a certain degrees that we have been seeing in the Conference of Parties or COP conferences every year.